Hello everyone, Jenni Lynn here, and I am bringing you a card maker quick tip today. Recently, I made a card with this beautiful press plate from Spellbinders, and you can see there's a lot of coloring elements in here. It's very detailed, but it was very easy to color. This is what the press plate looks like. All right, so the quick tip today is I really loved the way these colors came out that I used on the card. So I have all of the markers that I did use and a little pen and a little swatch of paper. So the quick tip is you take all of your markers and you kind of group them by the thing that you were coloring. So like all the bird items together, all the leaves, all the flowers, etc. Okay, and then you just color some little dots and then you put the marker number out here to the side. That does a couple of things for you. One, you know which markers that you are using in case one of them walks off or you misplace it or whatever. And then also you can take this little strip of paper, stick it here, and then you'll have it for the next time you go to make this card if you're someone who might like to reuse old color schemes. So what I'm going to do right now is just demonstrate how I would make this little color strip, and I'll be right back. All right, so my quick strip of color is done. I basically grouped it into the leaves, the bird and the branch, the flower petals, and the flower centers. And that way, next time, if I choose to use the same color palette, I know which markers to pull, and I was able to group the items by the elements that I will be coloring. So I hope you enjoyed this card maker quick tip today. I hope to see you in the next card or craft. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. And until I see you in the next card or craft, as always, have an amazing day and happy crafting.
Thank you all so much for watching today. I'm so glad that you can join me at my craft table. If you're not already, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when new videos arrive. Have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.